Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on to this video today. Gathered from the title of the video is my 1-year review of my Neverfull. So I did make a video about a year ago and I figured, you know, there might be people out there still who may be considering purchasing the Neverfull again. So I thought I could perhaps let somebody out there who may watch the video know whether I personally, in my opinion, think this bag is worth the purchase. And as you probably gathered from the title as well, there is a mini unboxing as well. And that is also related to me and this bag. So let's not waste any more time. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't, and if you do enjoy the video, please would you perhaps consider subscribing, because that would mean the world to me, because I'm so close to like 1,000 and that would be amazing if you could help me get there. Thank you. So here she is. So initially, as you probably know, I purchased this bag about a year ago. And I have kept the bag folded from the corners, to be fair. I have also kept a organizer in the bag. So let's just open the bag first. So let's go inside. So within the bag, I have my organizer, which I got from Amazon. I can link it in the description box. I'll copy and paste it from the last video. So I have my organizer. I have the dust bag as well. Let's have a look at the inside. So my inside, considering it's been a year now, is fairly clean. And I'm going to be quite honest with you guys, I don't really throw this bag around. I don't really baby the bag, because it's a bag that I've purchased to be used. So yeah, so the inside, considering like the usage, has remained fairly clean inside. As you probably do know or remember from my unboxing, and if you've not seen that, I can link the other video as well for you guys. So inside the bag you have like one huge giant pocket. Behind here is the, what do you call that, guys? Behind here is the, where it tells you where the bag was originated from. Inside pocket fairly clean. The patina has begun to slightly patina, but let's have a look closely. But I'm not gonna lie, I mean, I am fairly careful. Like, I don't baby the bag, but I am fairly careful with this bag. So I've made sure that I've tried to keep it quite even. Let's have a look at the receipt in the box, because then that will tell me what year. Oh, so here. So yeah, so it's been longer than a year, guys. So I purchased this on the 15th of February 2019. Yeah, so it's been a year and a few months. Wow. So considering it's been like quite a while, about a year and February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So, oh wow, almost a year and a half. Yeah, guys, it's been like almost a year and a half now. So considering it's been a year and a half, I think the bag has lasted amazingly. So obviously I've still got my receipt. You get your refund, your receipt, your additional envelopes. You receive like a piece of paper in there that's like a thank you note, which I will include it in my first video here. So I've carefully kept a hold of all the documents too. Obviously you do receive your Neverfull in the box here, which I love this box. I just think it's such a beautiful orange. And you do also receive the pouch. Okay, so now you're probably going to ask me, how do I feel about the bag? I do love the bag. I mean, even when we look at the gold here, I mean, I feel like it's not tarnished. It's kept itself in pretty good condition. But I'm not gonna lie, in between there, like it's for like 2-3 months, I kind of got a little bit bored. I was like, okay, I like the bag, it's nice, but it needs something. And this is where the next part of my video comes into my plan. Does that make sense? yeah, so this is the next thing that actually made me love my bag again when I came across my next purchase. So here it is. Obviously I'm going to open the box. This is more of a reveal because I have actually already used this and I've had it on the bag, and that's probably what's made me want to use the bag. So let's open the box. So it comes in your blue ribbon. You get the beautiful slide open box here, and within the box you get obviously your documents, meaning your receipt, your return back code, tells you how you paid, tells you all your details. Don't really want to show too many details. And I purchased this on June 15th, so it is fairly recent. So let's have a look at it. What did I buy? Okay, so here we are. So I watched quite a few videos and I thought, you know what, this is so cute. So it comes in the tissue paper with the Louis Vuitton sticker, and I ended up purchasing, guys, a bandeau. I just think this is the most cutest thing ever. So it's the Louis Vuitton bandeau. It has the monochrome, like, so it's got the black, the gold, but the reason why I decided to purchase the bandeau was because, number one, it is so beautiful. Like I said, I have worn this, but I came up with an idea. I kind of wanted to like decorate my bag just to make it stand out more. So I'm going to put this back onto the bag here. You grab, you put. So let's talk about the conclusion. Do I love the bag? Yes. Is it adorable? Yes. Is it a basic bag? No, because it's a classic. Would I recommend this bag to you? Yes. I mean, it carries everything. It's a Neverfull. It is what it is. It's a Neverfull. You can chuck literally anything that you want in there. Can you use it daily? Yes, you can, because of the canvas. Would I recommend the monogram print? I mean, it's your choice. Like, I'm considering the Alma BB, but in the Damia Abin print. So, but I do love monogram. I think monogram is amazing, but you just have to be careful when it comes to the leather. But otherwise, yeah, I just think the bag is and is always going to be a classic. And I know that since I've purchased this has had a price increase twice already, so that's almost like £100. I'm assuming in dollars it will probably be $400. I'm not sure. So yeah, so yeah, highly would recommend this bag to anyone who's contemplating purchasing the bag. I mean, it's something that can be passed on from generation to generation. It's an investment piece. Like I said, if price goes up every single year, so if ever you decided that you needed to sell the bag, you could do, because you know the price is going up rather than down. So yeah, 100% would recommend the Neverfull to anyone who's considering purchasing this beautiful bag. So yeah, that was the conclusion of my video today. I know it's been a little bit wish-washy, but I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate leaving a comment below. I would be more than happy to answer anyone's questions, concerns about the bag, or even the bandeau. And I will insert the picture of me wearing the bandeau, because I have actually worn it like a headband as well. So you can wear it as a headband, you can wear it on your bag, you can wear it however you choose to wear this bandeau. And the bag itself, 100% yes, definitely worth the investment. I would recommend it 100%. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself in this tragic pandemic era that we are in. I hope everyone is keeping safe, and if you have subscribed, once again, thank you so much. If you haven't and you've enjoyed and you've gotten this far in the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button, please, because that would mean the world to me. So thank you so much. Till next time, take care. Thank you. Bye.